Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is a process uh, to test the inferences of population parameters based on sample data, and these hypotheses are here divided mainly in two types: null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. Here null hypothesis means there is no change, or we can say that there is no difference, and on the other hand alternate hypothesis means there is change, or we can say that there is a difference. So we test this collected data on the basis of some test like t-test, f-test, z-test, and chi-square test, etc. These tests are used on the basis of their main features, and on the basis of features of collected data. And While we talk about the significance level, this data is statistically tested by giving a threshold of significance, and this threshold is known as significance level. In most of the research, this significance level is taken as 0.05, and we represent it by alpha, or if our significance level is 0.05, then we said that our alpha is 0.05. Now we take p-value. P-value, it observe the significance of the statistical tools, and while we check the significance of our statistical tools, statistics, with the help of p-value, we see that if our p-value is greater than or equal to alpha, then our statistics is significant, and if our p-value is not equal to or greater than, we can say that if our p-value is less than alpha, then our statistics is not significant. Significance level is very important in each kind of research, and mainly if we know about the hypothesis testing, so we can directly constitute or set our hypothesis that what we want to check in our research. On the basis of this, we decide our population and the sample size, and after taking sample size, we give a threshold by deciding our significance level, and after deciding the significance level, we check our data with statistical tools, and we use p-value to check the accuracy or significance level of the applied test by with the help of a p-value. So I think this information may be useful to the researchers or the students who are carrying their projects. So use this information in your research to make it more result oriented. So thank you.